Are you tired of your children always complaining about what they want for dinner? Hi, I'm Larry, creator of new Poison Mac and Sneeze. It's great for what you children need.
Mom, is that Poison Mac done yet?
It sure is, son. My kids are constantly nagging me until I got Poison Mac and Sneeze. Thanks, Larry.
No problem, Cheyenne. Looks like they got an appetite full. So if you're ever tired of your children nagging about what they want for supper, just buy my Poison Mac and Sneeze. With our high quality ingredients like rat poison and alien blood, sure to kill your children on the spot. Right, Cheyenne?
Right, Larry.
I shake that.